Learn marble floor, sanding and polishing step by step with a professional method that restores the natural shine and beauty of your marble surfaces. In this video, you will discover how to transform dull, scratched, and worn-out marble floors into a smooth, glossy, and like-new finish using the right tools and techniques. This complete guide covers every stage of the process, starting with surface inspection and preparation. You'll see how to identify scratches, stains, and uneven areas, then properly clean the floor to remove dust, dirt, and residues before sanding. Proper preparation is essential to achieve a flawless and long-lasting result. Next, we move on to marble sanding, where you'll learn how to use sanding pads or diamond abrasives with the correct grit sequence. This step helps remove scratches, stains, and surface imperfections while leveling the marble. You'll also see how to control pressure and movement to avoid damaging the surface and ensure an even finish across the entire floor. After sanding, we focus on polishing techniques that bring back the marble's natural shine. You will learn how to gradually increase the polishing level using finer grits and the right polishing compounds. This process enhances the color, smoothness, and reflectivity of the marble, giving it a premium, high-end look. In this video, you will also learn how to choose the right sanding and polishing tools, the correct order of grit levels for best results, how to remove deep scratches and stubborn stains, how to achieve a mirror-like finish safely and efficiently, common mistakes to avoid during sanding and polishing. We also cover edge and corner detailing, ensuring that every part of the floor, even tight spaces, gets the same professional treatment. Attention to detail is what separates average work from a truly high-quality finish. Finally, you'll see the before and after transformation, highlighting the difference between a worn marble floor and a fully restored polished surface. This method is ideal for both beginners and professionals who want to improve their skills and deliver outstanding results. Watch until the end to see the full process and final results. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more professional tutorials on marble, ceramic, and terrazzo installation and finishing.
you